May I know your name, please?
My full name is Mohammad Noor Nabi. My friend and my family call me Noor.
Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, I know. My name meaning is Noor is bright and Nabi means leader.
Do you like your name?
Yes, obviously I like my name.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Basically, I really enjoy English journey at Rahat English Care. First time I didn't speak any single word in English, but right now any topic I thinking in English.
That's fantastic. How many days have you studied English?
I study almost 90 days.
90 days. Do you think that Rahas English Care has helped you to improve your English?
Yes, obviously. Rahat English Care improve my English skill, fluency. When I speak English, that time my many effort.
Hmm.
But right now, uh, any speaking English.
Do you want to improve your English in future?
I think I will. I
In
want to
future.
improve my English day by day.
Okay, please tell me the importance of learning English.
I face many problem without English.
Do you think that English plays a significant role to promote our business?
Yes, obviously. I am a job holder and I work with outside countries people.
Hmm.
That time I feel without English you cannot improve your business. You cannot proper discussion and communication.
You are a job holder.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work actually?
As a business consultant.
Business consultant.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I work in Bonani.
Banani. Okay, and what do you think? Do the people of your country prefer a private job or a government job?
Our country's people prefer government job, but I prefer private job.
Why?
Because private job you earn much money and unlimited learn new
Okay.
skill.
New skill.
Yes,
Do you have any favorite tree?
yes. My favorite tree is mango tree.
Why do you like it?
I like mango fruit. That's why I like mango tree.
And in your opinion, what are the major advantages of trees?
There are lots of benefits of trees, like shadow, oxygen, and other things.
Okay, have you ever planted any tree?
Yes, I planted a mango tree
When did you plant a mango tree?
1 year ago.
In your opinion, how can we control our environment or how can we control our, I can say, global warming? Do you have any idea about it?
I have some idea. Like if I planted more tree, that's why remove our uh, global carbon
Yes,
dioxide.
so you want to say planting trees can be, I can say, a best possible solution to remove this problem.
Yes, sir.
Well, and what will you do after completing the spoken English course from Rahat English Care? What will you do after finishing the course?
I finished English journey at Rahat English Care, and I will again join my job.
Okay, you will again start your job. Noor Nabi, this is the end of your speaking test, and may Allah make you successful in life.